I will be showing you how to forward your subdomain, so keep watching. First, you need to log into your website domain account. The account through which you purchase the domain, it can be HostGator, Bluehost, Hostinger, GoDaddy, SiteGround, or any other. The process to forward subdomain is the same. I will forward the article's subdomain, associated with this main domain, talesbyte.com, to other domain. First we need to click the DNS, or the Manage DNS button link, which will take us to this page. This is the DNS management page. You will find all the domain records in this page. Here, we need to click this forwarding tab. Here, we have both the domain and subdomain forwarding options. To forward subdomain, we need to click Add Forwarding button under Subdomains. And in this screen, in the first field, we need to enter the subdomain that we want to forward. I will be forwarding my article's subdomain. And in the second field, the destination URL, we can add the website domain or subdomain or any other social media site, like Instagram or YouTube, as the forwarded destination URL. Here, I could add my website domain, designopage.com, or add a subdomain, blog.talesbyte.com. Next, here, we can select any of the three forward types. I will select the temporary option. You can select any option based on your preference, if needed. And finally, we need to click the Save button to update the changes made in forwarding page. The article's subdomain has been successfully forwarded to blog subdomain. With this we have come to the end of this video. Please subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon to get updates when we add new content.